In this video, we're going to take a look at how to change the window on the Vanta Element-S. Now, this is going to be similar for how to change the window on the Vanta Element as well, except those two models actually take a separate window. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to want to just take your Vanta Element-S and you're going to want to take a look at the front of it. If you have any punctures to this window or damage, or it's just too dirty, sometimes they just get old, you're going to want to replace that. And what we're going to do is we're going to set that analyzer down. There's a tab here you'll be able to see with my hand. I can peel that tab up and just pull that window right off. Now, I'm going to stick it here to the desk in the meantime. You can discard it. But what I want you to see is that this hole here, this is where all the money is in your instrument. There's an X-ray tube and a detector behind this hole, and that's something to protect. And that's why we use X-ray windows to begin with. Now, let's take a look at, you should have 3 of these, by the way. These are the Olympus Vanta Element windows, and I'll show this to you in my hand here. You see that there's a nice mesh material there, kind of an ingenious design by Olympus, and the window just sticks on. So you can find more of these on alloygeek.com. We have this paper backing here as well, so you'll see that paper backing just peels right off. If you end up with too much residual around the nose of the instrument here, just make sure you're not spraying anything inside the instrument nose itself when you're actually cleaning that off. You don't want anything inside there. Dust, debris, no cleaners, no wetness. It should just be nice and clean. So I'm actually going to just show you here, all this does is align with the front of the analyzer like so. No screws, nothing. And these are pressure sensitive adhesives. I recommend rubbing your finger around the outside like I just did, and you'll see you have a nice new window that's nice and clean right on the front of the analyzer. So really cool, very easy to do. Sometimes the edges of these can be a little bit sticky because they're laser cut, but that's just a very easy window change to get your analyzer back and working.